As of right now, our machining program has majority of our students working at an internship while they're going to school. And majority of our students, when they graduate, have a job lined up if they're not already currently working at a facility. One of our local industry partners is Hyperion Technologies, and at this moment they have 3 of our former students. They were great when they were here in school, and they carried that knowledge right directly to the shop floor at Hyperion.
The fact that Haas is so involved with schools, including some of our local community colleges, helps us a lot when we're making hiring decisions. 3 of our shop employees actually came from Itawamba Community College, which has a campus about 10 minutes from us that's all Haas based.
When I started this program, we had 2 VF2s and 2 SL10 lathes. And now I have 8 mills and 8 lathes. That gives me 2 students per machine, where it was 8 students per machine. With the addition of our new machines, we added in 2 Haas UMC 500 SS machines, and we integrated into the last semester of our program to do some 3+2. We are going to add a 5th semester for multi-axis use between the UMC machines and the ST20Y machines. When we bought all our new equipment, I bought a lot of Haas tooling to go with that, and I have been very pleased with the Haas tooling, especially the end mills. The end mills are a third of the cost you can buy from local or national resellers, and I have had just as much success with these end mills as I have with the name brands that are sold at local resellers. One good thing about being part of the H-Tech, that we as a school get 25% discount right off the top of tooling. By saving money with the Haas tooling, it does free up extra money that we can cut more projects. And for me, having my students turning the spindle every day, that's more experience they're getting. We started our first H-Tech program in 2017. We hosted one in 2018 here, and it does help improve the quality of instruction I believe we get here. Every year I apply for the Gene Haas Foundation grant, and we have so far received one since 2017. And we take our grant and we disperse it between all students that are enrolled in our program. Our partnership with Haas has been really good for us. It has helped to benefit the student on the financial end and on the experience end. And the end goal is the steady work that they'll always be able to have and the good wages they'll always be able to have. And a lot of that does fall right on the high-tech capabilities of the Haas machines.